Bro, you need to start looking at your cup half full, because a lot of the stuff that you hate about yourself when you look in the mirror can actually be a strength if you switch your mindset. Those flaws are making you look attractive. Let me show you. Number one, balding. Look, male pattern baldness is something that all men fear, but think about it. It's low-key badass. Yo, just buzz cut that thing out. You look careless, you look carefree, and to be fair, you might even look a little bit cooler. You add a thick beard into the mix, my dude, you just doubled your attractiveness. Look at every celebrity. Almost every celebrity that shaves their head, they look better. Honestly, when it comes to male pattern baldness, don't fear it. Yes, you can always fight hair loss and try to keep the hair. That works. Or you could just buzz cut it off. Either way, it's a strength and you'll look like a stud. Number two, the dad gut. Look, that dad bod with, a little bit of blubber around the chest and the stomach, it's trending. Study after study are saying the same thing. Women actually prefer a guy with a little bit extra gut. And to be fair, this body style is even preferred over the muscular guy and the super skinny guy, which is all good news for you because it means you don't have to be as stringent. Look, take care of yourself. Be healthy. But yeah, you can have that ice cream. Yeah, you can relax a little bit. That just means that the attainable body that most women prefer is set much lower. So if you have a little bit of a dad gut, don't think this as a weakness. Don't think that this is what's stopping you from being a 10. Matter of fact, most women actually prefer that body, and that's a strength. Number three, exuding a natural body odor. Look, as long as that natural musk that you produce is pleasant, you're going to be creating all sorts of natural pheromones and creating all sorts of natural chemistry with everyone you meet. Now, notice what I said there. Pleasant. That is the key word, and the only way to release a pleasant natural musk is by having a proper hygienic routine. If you're not actually taking care of your hygiene, that body odor is going to be disgusting, and you're going to be pushing everybody else away. However, you have a proper shower routine, you have a proper hygiene routine, even if you don't wear a fragrance, which I always recommend, but even if you don't, that'll be a strength because that natural body odor, it'll be intoxicating, especially if you're using Heat Grooming Shower Bundle. Bro, you already know. Our shower bundle kind of helps you smell like a high-end fragrance already anyways, because our bundle, unlike any other body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in the market, you won't find any other body wash that does this. We went to our fragrance house and we developed a specific scent for our shower set. So it's using the same oils from France. It's designed and handmade in France. We shipped them over here to the US into our laboratory, and now we use that oil scent into our body wash, our shampoo, and our conditioner. Go look at our reviews. Not only is the shower experience amazing, you smell phenomenal, you step out the shower smelling like a god. But all you're doing is washing your body and your hair. That's what I wanted to get you to. And not to mention that the actual ingredients of the products are insane. For example, our shampoo and conditioner have tea tree oil and biotin to thicken your hair. Our body wash has restorative properties, so every time you use it, your skin gets softer and healthier. Boys, that 3-in-1 you got in your bathroom, the one you got for $5.99, ain't cutting it. I want you to try our shower bundle. Matter of fact, I'm going to make it easy for you. See, if you buy all three separately, it'll be a little bit pricier. But if you buy the entire bundle together that we just created, I'm going to have it linked down below. I'm going to make it even easier. As soon as you click the link, everything's going to be added to cart, and the bundle is going to be discounted. You don't even have to put a discount code. It'll be automatically discounted. All you got to do is check out. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, needing glasses. Shoot. If you need glasses, do not look at this like a flaw. Don't see this as a man, my eyesight sucks. See this as a, yo, this is an opportunity to wear an accessory that's going to make me look like an intellectual. It's going to make me look smarter. It's going to make you look more attractive. Any dude that wears frames just looks better. It's like instant. It structures your face. You look more attractive and you look smarter. You look like somebody that anybody would like to engage with. And here's the trick. Look, prescription glasses are amazing. If you need to use those, don't look at them as a flaw. But even if you don't have to use prescription, get yourself a pair of blue light like this. That way you can wear it 24/7. It offers you functionality and protection, and you look like a stud, bro. Number 5, being shy. Look, if you like to be kind of just by yourself, more than an introvert, you like your own personal time, don't look at this like a flossy. Shy guys that are the guys that usually aren't the center of attention, that aren't screaming and trying to get everybody to look at them, these type of guys can actually be attractive. See, these type of guys are more reserved, and that reservation kind of draws curiosity from other people, where it becomes somebody you want to unpack and get to learn more, and that curiosity makes you look more mysterious. That actually can make you look attractive, where it can lead women to be drawn to you, to try to get to know you more, to see what you're about, what your story is, which that rolls us on to number 6. Being nerdy or geeky. See, usually the dudes that are called nerdy or geekies are dudes that are overly passionate about a subject, about a certain thing. And whether that's comics, video games, it could be books, it could be school, it could be anime. The point is, you should not see this as a flaw. You see, some people in either of these subjects I just mentioned have become experts in those fields and now are earning a living. Shoot, some are actually becoming millionaires in anime, in video games, being book special, whatever it is, because they were so passionate about it. So not only do you have a potential for income nowadays, you also are ultra passionate. And being passionate about something, that's actually attractive. And finally, number 7 is your body hair. Look, if you have a lot of body hair, back hair, chest hair, don't look at that as a bad thing. 1, you just need to learn proper manscaping techniques. I have multiple videos on that and how you should be manscaping every single part of your body. But 2, it's a sign of high testosterone. This is a great thing. If you got a lot of body hair, it probably means you're pumping a lot of test, or at least that's what she's gonna think. She's gonna think that she's just dating a big old gorilla, bro. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our He Shower Bundle. Just click the link. It's going to be automatically discounted. That's it for me today. See you next time.